So I have a young lady that asked me how I did my cabbage. I just cut up all my seasoning as you see, and saltfish, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic. Not much garlic, like 2 strips of garlic I put into this one. Sweet pepper, and my carrots. I fried the saltfish first, and then add everything that you see right there in the pot. The last thing I add is the cabbage, and I also add a little Maggi all-purpose in that stir fry earlier, to give it some flavor, and a little black pepper. Those are the only thing I put in there. But that is it. That's all simple. I made my cabbage. I hope you could try it and you enjoy it. So let me know if you try it, because I remember you asked me how I did my cabbage, so I said let me do a quick little video and showing you how I did my cabbage.